Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome again. Today we're going to take a look at a little issue that I think a lot of people who have this little remote has thought about. It feels good in the hands, but I believe it could be better. Now, just recently, I did find a file for 3D printing, and I 3D printed a handle for this remote. I just took this off the printer. It still has a support connected to it. So let's take this apart and test this to see if this is going to be workable for this remote. So let's pull out all of the support. Yeah, the support is a pain, but we'll get it out. All right, so that's that portion of it. Of course, we have some more support here on the side. I'll worry about that later. I'm more concerned about the fit, if this is going to work. So this is designed that it will allow you to still be able to charge this. So all right, snaps in like that. Then you close it, and now you have a better grip for your remote. Yeah, looks pretty good. I still need to clean up, like I said, all of this here on the sides. But other than that, I think this came out pretty nice. You guys let me know what you think. If you have a remote and you want to 3D print a handle for it, this could do it. And like I said, you have no problem plugging in your USB cable in there. And if you want to take this off, it's just going to slide off like that. And then you can just kind of pop it off like so. It doesn't do any damage. It's just designed to just clip right on. So yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. But I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. But I just want to do a quick video showing you guys what I've done so far today. You guys probably saw the other videos and stuff that I've been posting throughout the day. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. And of course, I will be live most likely tonight on Amazon. So if you have any questions, come on through, hang out with your boy, talk to me, ask your questions. I will do everything I can to answer any questions I know the answer to. And for those I don't know the answer to, we will learn together. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.